Hey guys, I am going to be showing you slow rising squishy and a non-slow rising squishy. Now I'm going to be showing you a butter slime, a normal slime, and a cloud slime. So let's go on to slow rising squishy. Super duper slow rising. These two, what I'm showing you, aren't the only ones. I just wanted to get some examples. There we go, non-slow rising. Then butter slime. You can't really see that it's butter slime, so I'm just going to have to show you guys around here. Yeah, it's the blue tack slime, but it's really hard. But I found a different shampoo and it made it a lot better. I think it's a lot better. So yeah, it's super stretchy still. So yeah, normal slime. Pretty stretchy. Normal, just the normal, the basics. It's clear glue, and apparently it's going to change in a light because I found this pigment, but it does have a little bit of purple, but it's light. So it's meant to be grey. Oh, that's so annoying. You would never know. And then cloud slime. Oop, it's super duper satisfying. Now, with that shampoo, I used to make some music slime. I know I've showed you how to make music slime, but I'm going to show you how to make it again with the shampoo, because you have to use a very different technique. So let's go to my slime studio. So yes, right, so I am nice, I'm really studio. I didn't move that far. Yes, so you're just going to need blue tack and then some L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Restoring Shampoo. So this is what you make an awesome butter slime. So I'm going to bring some to school. Keep some at home because I've made 2 batches now. So let's now open up the that. Get a little bit of it. Not too much. That's perfect. Now put the rest in your package. So just a little. You're going to have to flatten it down so it's enough flat. You're going to want to get some of your shampoo on a little bit of your shampoo on your finger. You want to spread it all over your blue tack. And you want to mix it in very well, as fast as you guys want it to. See, it's not so good now as this one is, but it will soon be coming like this one. It's not that stretchy at all now, but it will. You just keep adding, just keep adding, just keep adding. So get it flat again like that. Get a bit of it, not too much, and then add it. Whoa, I just realised this shampoo's got silver glitters in. Whoa. And just mix it. So I'm just mixing. So I keep mixing it until, until you have actually finished with it. Just keep adding a load now. Just add in as much as you want. Go free range on this. And I'm going to see what I do. I didn't even make it flat. Who cares? Free range. So, yes. Whoop, I'm just mixing. It's very wet because of the shampoo. Oh yeah, it should be wet. And it's better to, if you can't find dish shampoo, just try and find some shampoo with our water added into it, because that doesn't make it the best. So that's why I changed to this shampoo to make my slime. So yeah, ooh, whoa. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be showing you guys today. Look at the two slimes. Yeah, that's all I'm going to be showing you guys today. So peace guys, bye.